So now we have another sound using the same two letters. Okay, as we know, the U and E can make the OO sound, but the U and E together can also make the U sound. U, U, U. Okay, so it can make two sounds depending on the word that it is in. So let's put this U sound into some words then. And the first one is argue. 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 I do not want to argue with you, okay? Argue. Argue. Okay? How many letters does argue have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters. How many sounds? Argue. 3 sounds. Argue. Okay? So yes, it can be U as well. And the next word with the U sound in it is tissue. Tissue. T-I-sh-u. Tissue. Okay? T-ish-u. Tissue. Okay, we have the double S letters making the sh sound in this word. T-ish-u. Tissue. Okay, so super. So that is has 6 letters with 4 sounds. T-ish-u. Tissue. I need to blow my nose using a tissue. Could be a sentence. Okay, so next one we have is rescue. Rescue. R-E-S-C-U. Rescue. R-E-S-C-U. Rescue. Okay? R-E-S-C-U. Rescue. Maybe you are trapped up a mountain and you need a mountaineering team to rescue you. Okay? Rescue, to save you. Rescue. Okay, super. So let's go through them all again together. Make sure you're saying it at home with me, like always. This can be you. Okay, argue. 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 Tissue. T-ish-u. Tissue. Rescue. R-e-s-c-u. Rescue. Okay, so super. So just the last reminder, this 2-letter sound here can make the OO sound or it can make the U sound depending on the word. Okay, thank you for joining. Thank you very much for watching today. Please remember to like the video and subscribe as well. It would be great help growing the channel. Also, please share the video and leave a comment as well. Thanks again.